Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sound Blaster 1987 here, continuing again with my ToQger reviews with Chou ToQ-Oh. Chou means super in Japanese, which basically means that this is Super ToQ-Oh in the English language. So to begin the combination, first take off the yellow and pink rasher for the arms of ToQ-Oh, like so. But leave the post for combination attached because you'll be needing those in a moment. Next, take the halves of the diesel rasher, rotate the front part like so and fold it forward. Then flip out these pegs like so. Then connect like so to this port and this clip down here. Then reattach the original ToQ-Oh arm onto the port on the side of the diesel rasher halves, like so. Same on both sides. Now we've got a much wider upper body. Next, use these levers at the back to fold the tank and car carrier rasher in half, and use these fold out clips down here to attach to the blue and green rasher on the legs like so. Finally, put ToQ-Oh's head away, like so, back into its storage compartment, and use the midsection of the diesel rasher, like so, attaching it onto the top here, and flip up these railway track antenna horn things to reveal the face of Chou ToQ-Oh. A much wider combination in the upper torso than any Megazord or Sentai Mecha really should be, but still impressive nonetheless. For size comparison, here we have Chou ToQ-Oh and Dai-Oh side by side. I'll be combining these two into Chou ToQ Dai-Oh next time in my future review. But for now you can see they are pretty much eye to eye, except of course Chou ToQ-Oh is ever so slightly taller at the eyes. And for a more American size comparison, the Samurai Gigazord from Power Rangers Super Samurai. Or as it was known in Japan, Samurai Ha-Oh from Samurai Sentai Shinkenja. Link in the description to the review for that combination. So, as I said previously, not much articulation in these Mecha, I'm afraid, just 360-degree ratcheted shoulders and little to nothing else, unless you want to sort of aim the diesel rasher half shoulder cannon things. So, that more or less concludes my Chou ToQ-Oh review. I have been Sound Blaster 1987. Join me next time when I'll be combining this with the build rasher to form Chou ToQ Dai-Oh. Until then, till all are one, and may the power protect you, always.